I think just the diversity we had all over, because we had people from all different types of organisations, and just the fact that we was able to get in a room and share best practices together.
I think it was kind of hearing the different case studies of different projects and how they've successfully engaged with groups of young people who might not necessarily organically take part in an Erasmus project and might need that little bit of extra support.
It was the chance for all the sectors to come together and share good practice about how they got more people to become involved in projects.
Oh my gosh, great question, but so many things that I learned. I think it's actually just getting the kind of contacts who have all of those really inspiring stories to be able to kind of contact them in the future.
You're mixing with like-minded souls, people that are quite passionate about education, training, and the opportunities that Erasmus programme gives them.
The fact that we was able to take experiences from other organisations and feed it back into ours, hopefully going forward.
It's a chance to influence, it's a chance to talk directly to people involved with the Erasmus Plus programme. It's a chance to actually talk to colleagues and learn from their particular experiences.
They should attend to see what experiences people have had and maybe pick up some tips, little tips like how they could fill in forms, what the uses are, what sort of projects they could become involved with, and I think most importantly to network with people from different sectors to see how everybody else does it.
And you're free to choose whether you adopt that or say, no, that's not for me. So that's why I would say it's worthwhile getting involved.